Welcome to my YouTube channel, Tushari's Maths Academy. Today I'm going to do the grade 6 second term lesson, 14th chapter, that is types of numbers and number patterns. Under this chapter, we are learning the types of numbers and number patterns. First, we'll see what are the types. We have a lot of types of numbers. The first basic type is even numbers, right? What is an even number? Numbers which are divisible by 2 without a remainder are called as even numbers, right? What is an even number? Numbers which are divisible by 2 without a remainder. How do you identify the even numbers? If the last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then that number is an even number. Look at the examples I have given. Look at this, the huge number, right? Without dividing, I can say by looking at the last digit. See, this is an even number. Last digit is, this is how you identify, right? Now, if there is a number, you have to check whether it's even or odd, right? You have to divide and say. But without dividing, we can say by looking at the last digit. Last digit is 0, 4, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and that is an even number. Then the opposite of even number is odd numbers. If you get 1 as the remainder when divided by 2, then that number is called as an odd number. How do you identify the odd numbers? If the last digit is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, then that is an odd number. Right. We'll go further. Right. Now, look at this chart. Right? Your teacher will ask this question from you. When you add an even number, what is the answer? Right? Now, even number plus even number, whether it's odd or even. So you in this case, you get a small example. 2 plus 2. That is 4. Mentally, you can get the answer. That is 4. That is even. You don't need to by heart this chart. Okay? Now, next one, even plus odd. 2 plus 1, we get small numbers. That is 3. That is odd. There, right? Or odd plus even. 1 plus 2, that is 3. Odd. Odd plus odd, we'll take 1 plus 1, that is 2. That is even. Right? When you add any even number to even number, answer is even. Even plus odd, any even number plus any odd number, always the answer is odd. That's the meaning. Now we'll go to the subtraction. We'll say 4 minus 2. That is 2. Then the answer is even. We'll say 4 minus 1. Answer is 3. That is odd. There. Subtraction. Odd 3 minus 2. Answer is 1. That is odd. We'll take 3 minus 1. That is 2. That is even. Right? Actually, this chart, you must know this chart very well, but not by heart. At that moment, you get a small example and get. That's how you get the answers. Now look at this 2 into 2. 4. That is even. 2 into 3. 6. That is also even. 1 into 3. 1 into 2. Sorry, 1 into 2. Odd into even. 1 into 2, 2. Answer is even. We'll say 3 into 3. Answer is 9. That is odd. Can you understand how to study this table? Right? You put a small example like that. Okay. We'll move to the other part of that. That. Now, Look at this. Now so far we have learned two types, even numbers and odd numbers. The next type is square numbers. What is a square number? If we can arrange a number in square form, right? Now look at this. First square number is 1. How do you arrange? Now this is 1. We can arrange this as a square. Second square number is 4. See? I can arrange with circles like a square. This one 3. To this side 3, 3. Both the sides are same. So that is a square shape. Third square number is 9. 3 into 3. Fourth square number 4 into 4, 16. Likewise, we can get any square number. What is the 10 square number? 10 into 10, 100. Likewise, you can get a square number. Right? It's clear now, right? Okay. Square numbers are very easy to get. If I want to get 7 square numbers, 7 into 7. That is 49. Like that, you can draw the square number and get the square number by multiplying that. The next part is triangular number. Triangular numbers means, have you seen in supermarkets the salmon tins are packed like a triangle, apples are packed on the racks like angle. So first triangular number 1. Second triangular number 1 plus 2, 3. See? Another 2 is adding. There you get the triangle 3. First triangular number is 1. Second triangular number is 3. Third triangular number 1 plus 2 plus 3. That is 6. Fourth triangular number up to 4 you have to add. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. That is 10. How do you get the seventh triangular number? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. Like that you add. Right? This is how you draw the triangular numbers. But when it comes to now, not like square numbers. Square numbers, what is the 100 square number? 100 into 100. Very easy. But when it comes to triangular numbers, this method is not a good method to find. Right? To find the 100 triangular number is difficult. So, we have a short method to find the triangular numbers. Another way. This is the first way. Another way. First triangular number, you write 1. The next number is 2. Next whole number is 2 divided by 2. Always divide by 2. Okay? That is 2 over 2. That is 1. Second triangular number, 2 into 3 divided by 2. That is 6 over 2. That is 3. Fourth triangular number, 4. Fourth, I will write 4 first and the next number is 5. The next whole number 5 divided by 2. That is 20 divided by 2. That is 10. Right? Third triangle number like that, 3 into 4 divided by 2, you get 6. Right? If I want to find the 100 triangle number, how are you going to find? 100 into 101 divided by 2. That is 10100 divided by 2. 5050. That is 100. Right? From this method, you can't, it's difficult to get. To 100 triangle number, you have to add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus like that, you have to go up to 100. So it's difficult. So by using this short method, you can find the triangular numbers easily. Right. Now, we'll go to the next type, prime numbers and composite numbers. To find the prime numbers and composite numbers, I'm filling this table. Look at this. I'll get 1. You write the number of factors and number of factors. 1 has 1. Number of factors is 1. 2, 1, 2. Number of factors is 2. 3, you know how to get the factors of a number by with the first term verb. Okay, first term we have done factors, how to find the factors of a number, right? 3 has 2 factors. Then number of factors is 2, right? Likewise, you write the factors and number of factors. Now look at this, how to identify the prime numbers. Prime numbers is this. Right? Prime numbers means if a number has only two factors, then that number is a prime factor. Prime number. Right? To identify the prime numbers, you write the factors. Then now this I have written I have done this up to 10. Okay? Right? 2 has only two factors. Then that is prime. Very prime. Then 3 has two factors. That is prime. 5 has two factors. Only two factors. Prime. 7 has only two factors. Prime. Right? Then numbers which have only two factors are called prime numbers. Now we'll see the composite numbers. Composite numbers which have more than two factors is one composite. One is neither prime nor composite because one has only one factor. That if a number has more than two factors, look at this, 4 has 3 factors. So that is composite. 6 has 4 factors, that is composite. 8, 4 factors, likewise, we can identify the composite number, right? Is 1 prime? No. Is 1 composite? No. Right? 1 is special number, neither composite nor prime. Right? Now, then what is a composite number? A number which has more than two factors. More than two factors is called composite number. Right. I assume you can understand this lesson very well. If you have any doubts or any clarifications, you can put them into the comment box. And thank you for watching my video.